Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my 9 weeks mini braids update. So this is the 9th week of my mini braids. I'm going to explain to you guys in a while what I'm doing in this video. Like, this is the first time I'm doing something like this, so I'm going to share with you guys what I'm trying to do, what I'm hoping to get, and all that stuff. So if today is your first time of joining my channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends, and let's get right into today's video. So like I said, this is a 9-week update. I promised you guys I was going to be updating you guys. So right here, I'd moisturized my hair. Yes, I'd finished moisturizing my hair, and I did put that heating cap on just to form a little bit of heat, you know, to open up the cuticles of my hair again. So normally I would just re-moisturize my hair and I'm done, but I am trying to incorporate, like, infuse moisture into the inner layers of my hair strands. So I decided to try this method, and this method was inspired by a YouTuber Coily Diaries, so I decided to give it a try. I know I'm not doing it like exactly the way she does it. I couldn't use my steaming cap, which is what I would normally use to generate heat, because there was no electricity, and that is one thing I've been facing, like, in this part of the world where I am. Like, electricity has been so difficult, and yeah, I'm trying to infuse moisture back into my hair strands, and that water contains just water and glycerin in it, enough glycerin. So like you guys know, glycerin is a humectant, so it helps to hydrate the hair, it helps to attract moisture into the hair, and so I just infused that, and I'm going to be sealing it with my Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil mix. So in this oil, I have my Jamaican black castor oil, I have coconut oil, I also have some peppermint oil. So I use that to seal in that moisture, that hydration that I've put into my hair. And then later on, I'm going to be using my shea butter mix to seal the ends of my hair. Not overall, because I had already done that, so I don't want to have too much product buildup on my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I seal just the ends of my hair with my shea butter mix. So I repeat the same thing to the other section of my hair, and I just squeeze it in. As you can see, I'm not just gliding my hands down the shafts of my hair, I'm squeezing it in just to let the moisture, the hydration, everything to properly soak into my hair strands. So this is what my hair is looking like. My hair is really very soft, and then I'm going to put it all back in a protective style. So my hair is a mini braids. This is a low manipulation hairstyle, as you guys know. So I'm further going to be putting this in like 2 big cornrows. So I'm not a fan of cornrows, so I've never done cornrows on my hair, like, since I started my hair growth journey, but I can do this much. Just put my braids, divide them into 2 parts, and then I just do one big chunky braids. This is just to keep the hydration, the moisture that I've put into my hair, and to keep it from, you know, drying out quickly. So I'll just do that and repeat the same thing to the other section, and then I'll show you guys how I seal the moisture at the ends of my hair. I'm going to be using my shea butter mix to do that. So I do the same thing at the other section. Like, guys, I don't think I'm going to be a good cornrow braider. Like, I don't know how to do that, but I think I can do this much just to make my hair look a different way from how it's been in the past week. This is the hairstyle I took the previous week, so I'm repeating the same thing. So I just take my shea butter mix and I just slide it down the ends of my hair so that it's smooth. So there are two ways in which I like to do this style. It's either I'm using my fabric scrunchie, my satin scrunchie, to just put it up in a low bun and tuck the ends in, or I go the other route, which I'm going to be showing you guys shortly. Protective style typically means everything it says. Protective style, you are protecting the ends of your hair. If you're not doing that, then you might just be shooting yourself on the foot. You might go all year doing mini braids, doing mini twists, and at the end of the day you're not seeing results. So I like to go the extra mile to hide the ends of my hair, which brings me to the second method which I can do, which is using bobby pins to clip the ends by each sides. So this is a common style which I just like to do once in a while. I'm not a fan of bobby pins because bobby pins can be very detrimental sometimes. If you're not careful, it can just be breaking your hair in there. So I'm very careful when I do this, and I don't do this often. So this is just to give my hair a new look, you know. So I do this style once in a blue moon. So yes, as you can see, the other part I'm tucking the ends in, then I'm just using a bobby pin to secure it. And when I feel it's even the slightest tension, I will remove that bobby pin and fix it back up again, which is what I did in this video. So as you can see, this is the style, guys. Like, doesn't it look cute? So this is what I'm talking about. So I was feeling a little bit of tension at that part, and I decided to take it out and put it back on in a more safer way. So I'm not really good with bobby pins. That's why I don't really style my hair too often with bobby pins. So because this is a nighttime routine as well, I decided to put in my silk scarf and wrap my head up. This is how I'm going to be going to bed, protecting everything that I've put in my hair. So guys, I hope you enjoy this week update. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.